This is the LUBAN stainless steel garden hoe on one side, like kind of garden rake on the other side, rake hoe type thing. And I thought it would be useful for me around my small townhouse backyard and garden. So let me go over a few things with this for you. I'll show you how it works. We got 15 inches long right here. It weighs exactly 1 pound. Rake section of this is about 4 inches long, and the hoe section is a little over 3, maybe 3¼ inches long. It's pretty well balanced. I mean, you can feel that the weight is on this side of it, so when you go to throw it, it actually feels good in your hand. If I had one thing that I would change on here, I would put a grip on here. And I might do that with some kind of athletic tape like you would with a baseball bat or something. It's all one piece, welded right here and welded on the top. Looks like it's good for the long haul. I've got freshly tilled stuff here. I mean, just for digging into here and getting through here, super easy, rocky soil. Another thing too, you can push this stuff back this way with the big part of it. That's what I like about it too. I like that. Big part of it just hacks right through. It's almost like you got a hatchet in your hand. There are rocks in there, it's cutting through there, no problem. And again, push it all back when you're done, or use the hoe section of it. You know, could run a furrow through here if I wanted to. Easy enough. And go back and run it all back through there. Cover the hole back up the furrow. So LUBAN stainless steel rake hoe. Feels good, I like it. I'm gonna put some tape on there.